The birth of a baby is a special moment in life, but for some it can be an incredibly difficult time when the mother is injured or the baby is born with a defect. Which is why I want to run through birth medical negligence claims and hopefully help you determine any rights to compensation that you may have. Birth defects and injuries impact the entire family, and quite often claiming compensation is the only way to give the family closure and to ensure that those responsible are held accountable for their actions. Generally speaking, there are two types of birth negligence compensation claims. Firstly, birth injury claims, and secondly, birth defect claims. Let's take a closer look at each of these. Birth injury claims are usually based on acts or omission by medical practitioners that are preventable and cause injury to the mother. For example, when your doctor or medical team looking after you fails to perform a cesarean correctly, causing you injury. Birth defect claims usually affect the baby from the outset, but can also be caused by factors like the pregnant mother taking incorrectly prescribed medication. In these cases, the birth defects could have been prevented by the treating medical practitioner exercising reasonable skill and care. To give you a more clear understanding of birth medical negligence claims, let's take a look at a case study. In this case, the mother was admitted to hospital when she went into labour with her second child. The doctor formed the view that she should have a natural delivery with the assistance of forceps. He broke her water and gave her medication to induce labour. He tried 5 times to deliver the baby by forceps of different types. The baby did not descend and the heartbeat dropped from 140 beats per minute to 60 to 80 beats per minute, a significant sign of distress. These attempts took 15 to 20 minutes before eventually the baby was delivered by cesarean with a 27-minute delay. That's 27 minutes of the baby in distress with less oxygen going to the brain. The delay ultimately led to the development of cerebral palsy, a truly devastating and lifelong condition which would mean the child would need to be cared for the rest of its life. The court ordered over $11 million in compensation to be invested so that the earnings on the investment can continue to provide for the ongoing care and support for the child and her family. Hopefully, this has been helpful to you. But if you're still unsure about birth negligence compensation or need help with your claim, call Law Partners and have a confidential conversation with one of our specialist birth injury lawyers today.